This is a propane fridge. Here it is there. It's got AC 240 volts, DC 12 volt, and propane or LP gas. Little sign there. When operating on gas, use outdoors only. Regulator and connection. I haven't used this in a long time. Under that bit of aluminium there's like a little pipe with fins on it, and it gets ice on it, and that's where you put your gear in there. Now, they market these very, very badly, and everybody ends up taking them back. There's a little... hang on. Yeah, come on, yourself. There we go. Switches, and that's your gas flow, and that's your piezo ignition and all that. They market these very badly by calling them camping fridges, and everybody else thinks you can just, go out and put them out in the wild yonder in the blowing wind. They don't like a lot of wind. They also won't run with a lot of vibration, and the biggest thing that everybody forgets is the level. They must be perfectly flat. Now, if you have these in a veranda where it's shaded from the wind, it's perfectly level, and it's not banging around in the back of your truck or car over really bad roads, then you'll find that these actually work very nicely. But they market them all wrong. At least in this country, they market them very wrong. And everybody tries and treats them like a vapor compression one and just flings them in the back and drives off and then goes, "Oh, this blooming thing's no good." That's because it didn't stay perfectly level. That's because it was shaking around, and that's, in some cases, in camping sites, it may be because the damn pilot light keeps blowing out that keeps this fridge going. This is absorption technology, which means if you chop a pipe, you'll just about choke to death on ammonia going everywhere. Hey, I've done it before with kerosene fridges. Holy hell. I had the grass go navy blue on me and then die. That's what happened when I cut open the pipes of a kerosene fridge, which is very, very similar. There's just one little bit of a valve difference in these kerosene fridges, but this is essentially the same sort of a technology using LP gas, or in the United States case, propane.